Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of convenient baby food preparation with the Baby Food Maker Mini, a cute and compact food processor that makes meal prep a breeze. This Spaceman Blue blender is crafted from BPA-free materials and borosilicate glass, ensuring it's safe for food contact, and its 300 ml cup capacity is just right for minimizing waste. Designed with a charming aesthetic, this baby food maker not only enhances your kitchen's look but also elevates your cooking experience, with each part isolated from the motor for easy cleaning. Whether you're chopping small amounts of food or preparing meals for your beloved pets, this versatile grinder handles vegetables, fish, meat, garlic, onion, ginger, and nuts with ease, and when making baby puree, just add a little water for a smoother texture. The package includes everything you need: a motor, a 300 ml glass bowl, blades, a splash cover, a scraping spoon, and an operating manual. Remember to lock the slot before pressing the switch, and keep in mind that the continuous working time should not exceed 30 seconds. The sharp blades require careful handling during cleaning. Designed for US voltage and plug, this baby food processor is ready to make your life easier, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.